Children, Sai Ram, welcome back. Wow, very happy. I'm seeing so happy faces. Very good, children. That should be your spirit. Great going. Very nice. Okay, okay. Just do one thing. Fine. Rub your face. Rub. Apply on your face. Rub your hands. Apply on your face. Rub your hands. Yes, you see, you should rub your palm. Palm. Rub fastly. Apply on your face. Wow, feeling nice? See, the climate is chill now, and now if you do like this, you will feel so fresh. Yes, you're feeling fresh now? Very good. Shall we move for today's session? Yes? Okay. Okay, children. Shall we learn English today? Yes? Okay. See, then we can do one thing. Shall we all take our English workbook? Yes, today we are going to write very less. Yes, English workbook, but very less writing. You happy now? Yes, children, but we are going to learn. Yes, the oral part we are going to learn. So, writing part is very less. Fine with you? That's excellent. So, now children, in our English workbook, you know what we are going to learn? Action words. Action words. You remember? We have did this in many extents. Okay. Now today also we are going to learn action word and sentence. Okay. You know now what is action word now? Yes. Okay. Action word with sentence. Do is an action word. Based on that sentence is an action word sentence. Fine. Yes. See in this picture itself what he is doing? Playing. So play is the action word. What the work we are doing, what the action we are doing, that is action word. The sentence based on that word is action word sentence. Understood? Children, please understand the concept and then proceed. Fine with you? That's good. So nice, children. So today you are going to take page number 66. Fine? 66 and 67. See, picture is there in the page number 66 and sentence will be there in page number 67. Fine now? Okay, shall we move? Okay. See actually in page number 66, what is the first picture? Cry, laugh, smile. What it is? Laugh. Yes. He is doing something, right? What he is doing? Laugh. Yes. What is this action word? Laugh. So, we'll change. Do not laugh loudly. If you laugh loudly, others will say, Baap re, aisa. Barabar? So, laugh very softly and lovely laughing. Okay? See how he is laughing? Yes. The sentence, do not laugh loudly. Fine? Okay. Now, see the number 2 picture. What it is? What is he doing? Cry. So, if we say, anyone saying crying now, what we will say? Don't cry. Simply. Fine? If you see someone, he's crying or she's crying, what do you will say? Don't cry. That's it. Finish? It means to us also, we should not cry. Fine now, children? Yes. Now what is the sentence for the action word cry? Don't cry. Fine? Okay. Now come to the third one. What he is doing? Yes? What she is doing? Okay, what she is doing? Yes? Dance. Perfect. You remember? Come and dance. Yes, that is our English workbook, Radiant Way. Yes, that's simple. It has meaning. Come and dance. That's it. See? We will call now, come and dance. Yes, we are going for the party, another thing. So what we will say? Come and dance. So dance is the action word. Fine? Okay, shall we move on to the next? Very nice. What he is doing? Sing. What is action word? Sing. So, shall we say sing a song? Yes? Okay. Sing a song. Sing is the action word. So, simply sing a song. Yes, repeat with me, children. Sing a song. Yeah, I should hear. Otherwise, I'll ask you to repeat again. Fine? Okay. Move on to the next. Perfect. What he is doing? Sleeping. But you should say sleep. That action word we are telling. Correct? What is it? Sleep. So, what the sentence here? Sleep in the bed. What is the sentence? Sleep in the bed. Where is he sleeping? He is sleeping in the bed only, na? Okay, so the sentence will come as sleep in the bed. Done? Understood? Now here comes our next one. Okay, what she is eating? What she is eating? Eat is action word, correct? So, eat an apple. What it is? Eat an apple. Remember a phrase, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Perfect? Yes. So, children, you're also asked to eat fruits and vegetables a lot. Are you all eating? That's fine. Then you can stay healthy and strong. Yes. Very nice. Okay. So, for the action word eat, what is the sentence? Eat an apple. Fine. Shall we proceed? The next one. What he is doing? Yes, drinking. Wow, very good children. You started reading the sentence too. Very nice children. So what to first tell the action word? Drink. Fine. Drink clean water. Drink water is fine. But if the water is clean only, then you can drink it. Fine now? So always drink clean water. So what the sentence? Drink clean water. Pure water. Perfect? Okay. Are you all drinking more water? That's good, my dear children. Okay. What he is doing now? What he is doing? Yes, he is cleaning the board. What he is doing? So what is the action word he is doing? Yes, what is the action word? Yes, children. Yes, perfect. It is clean. Clean is the action word. What is action word? Yes, clean. He is cleaning what? He or she, whoever it is. Okay? What they are cleaning? The board. You remember our board, school board? Yes, teacher have written. She wants to move for the next one. What she will do? She will clean the board. Yes, that is what. So clean is the action word. That is what in this picture it is shown. So the sentence should come as clean the board. Perfect. Understood now? Very good. This is how you should try. Pakka. Excellent now. Shall we move on to the next one? Very good. And what this picture shows? Wash. You're doing hand wash now? Yes, regularly. That's good. Very nice. So what is the action word? Wash. What he is washing? Wash your hands. He is washing his hands only. He or she, whoever it is. What is doing? What he or she is doing? Washing hands. So simply we can tell wash your hands. So even now also when we move out and can get in, we should wash our hands every day. Perfect. Before eating food and after eating food. In GK also we read na, wash your hands before and after food. Remember? Perfect. Now understood? The next one here. Yes, what is this? Yes. This action word here is put. Okay? Action word here. What is it? Put. So a sentence should come as, we can make the sentence like this. Put your books in the bag. Put your books in the bag. See? We have, after once our work is done, we used to keep our books here itself, as where we saw the video there itself. Once our class is there, we will keep our books there itself, or we will put our books in our bag. Which is the right one? Yes, putting our books in the bag is right one. So repeat with me, children. Put your books in the bag. Done? Understood? Fine, dear. Good. Now, what he is doing? What is this? GIV is give. Yes. What is this? Give. What is this? Give. Fine? Okay. So, what is doing, Imma? Yes, dear. Give me a pencil. See, she is asking, give me a pencil. So, he is giving the pencil. See in this picture, what she is asking? Give me a pencil. So, he is giving. Fine. See, in school also, if we want to have pencil, what we will ask? Give me a pencil, teacher. Give me a pencil. You will ask your friends also. Fine. So, what he or she will give? A pencil. Fine. So, the sentence is, give me a pencil. Understood? Okay? Okay. Now, you'll also make sentence, I think. Fine? Yes, my children are preparing for that. Very good, dear. Now, what is this next one? What is this? Take. When someone is giving, you have to take. Correct, na? Yes? Okay. So, while your friends are giving you book for reading, so after reading, what you will say? Take your book. Thank you so much. So, what is doing? He is telling, take your book. He is giving back. Fine. So, what is that? Take. What she is taking? She is taking the book back. Fine. So, the sentence should go like, take your book. Simply. Understood? Take is the action word. So, take your book. Fine? Okay, children. Now, the next one. You know what is this? What picture is this? The red color one with the black. That is the post box. In those days, before many years, we used to post the letters and the inland covers, everything we used to post here, and the postman will deliver. We have post office also. Even now also we have post offices. But we are not posting letters that much frequently. Yes? Yes, those days this was the only mode of communication. Well, our relatives are staying distance, while friends are staying in distance. Posting the letters, inland cards are the only way of getting in touch with our friends and relatives. But now we have so many to be in touch with them. Correct? Yes, children. Good. So, this is the post box. The red one is, you have to post your letter here. You have to drop your letter in the post box. The postman will come and collect and deliver it to the address. Fine? Okay. So, what he is doing? The action is post. He is posting. Correct? So, post. What he is posting? Post the letter. He is posting the letter. See, what is he is having in his hand? Letter. Yes, children. Okay. So, the sentence should go as, post the letter. Understood? Okay. So sweet. Shall we move on to the next one? Wow. Very nice. What is listening? I told. Yes, he is listening with headphone. But what is an action word? Listen. What is action word? Listen. What is listening? See those symbols that blue that side and all, that is the symbol of the musics. Okay. So simply we can say, listen to the song. Yes, listen to the Song. Music means only music. Song means words will be there, music will be there, everything will be there. Okay? So listen to the song. See, you all like to listen song? Very good. Whatever song it might be. Always it's good to listen songs. Okay? Yes? Very nice, children. You'll all do it now? So cute. If not started, please start listening good songs. Bhajans in the mornings and the evenings. Yes? Very nice songs are also there. Our rhymes are also songs for us. Correct? That's good. Shall we move on to the next one? Arey wow, we have come to the last picture. Whoa, what is that picture? Yes, he is showing the picture. Perfect. What he is doing but? Show. What is that action word? Show. So we can say now, show me the picture. Yes, we can say, show me the picture. So sentence, repeat with me. Show me the picture. Fine? Understood this action word sentences? Understood or not, children? That's sweet of my children. Okay. See, today we did what? Page number 66. Yes. Did CW in the top with today's date? That's my dear sweet children. And the sentences in 67. What is the topic? Action word? Sentence. You try to read this, children. Okay? So that you can improve your reading very nicely. You are doing very nicely, but then you can do far better. More better. Fine? You will do this? Okay, children. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.